Hey everyone, my name is Felicia and I'm the gaming section editor here at Digital Trends. Today I'm going to be unboxing the PlayStation Classic to see everything that it comes with. So let's jump right into it, shall we? So as you can see, these are all the objects that you'll find inside of the PlayStation Classic box. We have the console, of course, and it has two plugs for the controllers, faux memory card slots, which aren't usable, but they're a cute aesthetic, and we have functional buttons. The disk drive does not open, but if you press the button while playing a multi-disc game, it'll actually switch between the discs of the game. On the back, you have the HDMI cable and a port, and then you have the AC adapter wire port as well. You have the two controllers, which they look like exact replicas of the PlayStation 1 controllers. And then, of course, the AC adapter cable and the HDMI cable. Now, the PlayStation Classic does not include the AC adapter brick, but you can use just about any cell phone charging plug brick to substitute for that. And then, of course, there's the manual as well. All right, everyone, that's everything that you can find inside of the PlayStation Classic box. Let me know down in the comments if this is something you can see yourself picking up for a loved one on the holidays, or even if it's something you'd like to add to your retro classic mini collection.